Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you want to quickly and easily customize the classic customer account pages in Shopify, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to access, style, and tweak the look of your customer account pages, all using Shopify's built-in editor. This is perfect if you're looking to make your store feel more unique or match your brand aesthetic, even if you're new to Shopify. Let's jump straight in. First off, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage everything for your store. So make sure you're logged in and ready to go. From here, look down for the Settings option, usually found at the very bottom left of your screen. Go ahead and click that. Settings is where Shopify keeps all the important configurations for your store. And today, we're focusing on the customer accounts. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Customer Accounts. This section controls how your customers log in, register, and interact with their accounts. Now, this part's crucial. Shopify has a couple of options for customer accounts. And to customize the classic or legacy account pages, you need to make sure legacy is selected. If you see anything else, like new customer accounts or features you don't recognize, switch it back to legacy. Otherwise, you won't be able to adjust the classic pages we're interested in today. Don't worry, switching the mode won't affect your existing customer data or break anything. It just changes which interface gets shown. After you've set your accounts to legacy, let's head back to the main admin page. Now, it's time to actually customize the look. Go to Online Store, then click Customize. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to change colors, layouts, and see your edits live as you make them. At the top of the theme editor, you'll see a drop-down menu, usually set to Homepage by default. Click on this and you'll find the option for Legacy Customer Accounts. Click into that and you should see several options for customer pages. For this demo, we'll just look at the Customer Register page, the form where users create their account. It's good to familiarize yourself with each page, since they all let you provide a smooth experience for your customers. Now, over in the right-hand panel, you'll see some limited options for adjusting the paddings, the spaces around elements. Sometimes, less is more, and padding can make the difference between a cramped page and one that feels inviting. Play around with these settings until the form looks well-balanced. Don't stress if it doesn't seem super flexible here. Shopify keeps these fields pretty basic, but you still have some room to make it your own. Notice that you can't add extra fields to the registration page directly from this editor. So if you need, say, an extra phone number field or a birthday, you'll need an additional app. Most stores find the basics are enough, but if you have specific needs, it's good to know where the line is drawn. One powerful thing you can't do is add sections. This lets you drop in extra blocks, like text, images, or even banners, to make the registration page reflect your brand. Try adding a short welcome message, also, or some friendly tips for customers as they sign up. Next, jump into Theme Settings and open up the Colors tab. Here, you'll see Scheme 1 Color. This setting lets you change the entire color scheme for the customer pages. Pick something that matches your store's branding and watch as it instantly updates in the preview. It's a simple tweak, but goes a long way in building a more cohesive look throughout your shop. And there you have it. Those are the basics for customizing the classic customer account pages in Shopify. If you need more fields or want deeper adjustments, there are some third-party apps out there that let you modify customer account forms in more detail. But for quick styling and branding changes, this built-in editor is perfect. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made customizing your Shopify store easy and approachable. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment below if you have any questions or need more advanced tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one.